Hey, good morning folks. Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. It is Saturday, June the 8th, and the car show is on in Thunder Bay. So I just want to take you guys for a quick walk through the parking lot here of the Nor'Wester Best Western. And just show you what's here. So there's cars from all over Canada. Okay. A lot of them are sitting here, getting ready for the car show today. Okay. All kinds of them here. You guys can see. A lot from the States, Manitoba, lots from Manitoba. Minnesota Triumphs. Pretty amazing. So yeah, some nice vehicles. Triumph. Just go see what's happening here at the creek. I mean at the pond. Well, all the geese are out with the babies. Yeah. Oh yeah, the little ones. I see little ones. I won't bother them. I'm busy teaching them how to eat, how to fend for themselves. Sure, there's more in the front. So let's go around the front, see. Washing the vehicles off outside here. Slippery there. Not too many out this side. Most of them are out the other side. Yeah. North Dakota. Yeah, some nice cars. Here's some here. Okay. So once again, it's a car show on this weekend. Today it's at the marina. Morning. Anyway, I hope you guys got a look at some of the cars. There's a lot more in the city, but I hope you had a chance to take a look at them. Like I say, today at the marina, it is the car show this afternoon. I hope the rain holds off for them and that they have a good afternoon. So, from Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, LIQT, 8:42 in the morning. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. 7-3, folks. Stay safe, take care of each other. Watch out for the other person, because the other person may not be watching out for you. 7-3.